Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel Bee Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. If you are new on my channel, one thing that I like to do is I like to do craft hauls. So basically what I do, and I like to do it for sublimation items and non. So basically what I do is I will buy or do a haul from a store or from Etsy or from Amazon, and I show you everything that I purchased, and then I test it out for you because I don't mind testing things out for you guys to see if it's a hit or miss. So what we're doing today is a Five Below haul. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I did go to Five Below today and I did get some stuff. I got a couple of sublimation items, and then I got some other things that are for like engraving. I want to try something I got for my Glowforge. I want to try engraving it in my Glowforge. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with the sublimation items. Okay, and I do believe everything that I purchased was $5. Let me see. Yep, so everything that I'm gonna show you today was $5 from Five Below. Okay, so the first thing I have here is this bag. This is kind of like a summer tote type of bag. There's a butterfly on this side, and on this side it's blank. So I decided to go ahead and try to sub something on this side. It is 60% polyester. So I'm gonna see if I can find maybe like a cute little quote or something to put on this side of the bag, since it already has an image here. I might put maybe either my logo or maybe a cute little summer quote or something like that on this side. And we're going to do that today. I will do that today. I think I might use my Easy Press 3 for this. But we are going to go ahead and try this. It's just a cute little summer tote. This was $5. All right. The next thing I have here is, of course, they always have journals. These journals are hit or miss. Sometimes they work, sometimes they melt. I'm gonna try it today. I'm just gonna put my logo right here on the front, and we're gonna see what happens with it. But it's just a cute little journal. Okay, it's just a lined journal, that's all. And I'm just gonna put my logo right here on the front, and we're gonna see what happens. And I'm gonna do this with sublimation. The next thing I have here is a shirt. Well, it's kind of like a short sleeve hoodie almost. It has a hood on it, but it's short sleeve. I don't know. Short sleeve hoodie. I don't know what the heck this thing is called. Okay, but it is 100% polyester. So I bought it, and we are going to sub on it today. It is kind of thick, so I'm not sure if this is like... I'm assuming because it's 100% polyester, so it is probably way cooler than an actual like cotton hoodie for sure. But it does feel on the thick side for summertime. I don't know. I wouldn't wear it, but who knows? And it's in the color blue. I am gonna go ahead and sub maybe like a dark image, maybe an image that's all black on this, and we're gonna see how it turns out. They did have these in different colors. I think there was blue, gray, green. There was a couple different colors. Okay, so we are going to sub on this today and see how that works out. Okay, and now the last thing I have here, my haul isn't all that big, it's not really a haul, is these tumblers. Okay, this is a double wall mug, and it is black, but I wanted to try to engrave on this, and then I did get this one too, so I do want to try to engrave on these. I won't be doing it in this video, but in the next, maybe not the next video, but I will be trying to engrave on these in my Glowforge. But that's all I have, so I am going to go ahead and get some images printed out so that we can go ahead and sub on these items together. Alright guys, so the first item I'm going to do here is the journal. So I am just removing the hardware that came with it, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the tag off. The pressing mat that I have is a Cricut pressing mat. It's the large one. I I do believe they sell it at Michael's, but I'm pretty sure that Cricut sent me this one. I didn't actually purchase it, but I have seen it in Michael's before. And then I just have my little logo printed off here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it face down, and then I'm going to cover the journal with some butcher paper. And then I originally pressed this at it was 400 degrees. I am using my Cricut Easy Press. I have the Cricut Easy Press 3. And I did originally do this at 30 seconds at 400 degrees, but as you'll be able to see now, when I went to check it, it really didn't, like most of the ink really didn't transfer at all. So as you can see, I checked it, it just wasn't good. So I'm going back and I'm doing it again, and this time I'm not gonna put it down at that bottom, that white part that was at the bottom, because what I noticed was the white part that was at the bottom of the journal was burning faster than the pink part. So right now I'm just holding my Easy Press on the pink part of the journal, and I'm doing it for 45 seconds at 400 degrees. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove everything, and then at 45 seconds, as you can see, the pink part did start to burn, and then the ink transfer really still wasn't all that good. So I would say that this is really a no in terms of being. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is going to be the shirt slash hoodie. If y'all know what this is called, leave a comment down below, because I don't know what the heck this is called. It has a hood on it. It's kind of thick like a polyester hoodie, but it has short sleeves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lint roll it, and then I'm gonna place my image face down, and then I am going to go get some butcher paper, and I'm gonna cover it with the butcher paper. And then I'm gonna use my Cricut Easy Press 3 again, and it is going to be set to 400 degrees, and I am gonna go ahead and press this for 1 minute. And I am doing medium pressure. I know I get a lot of questions about the Cricut Easy Press 3. Is the difference between the Easy Press 3 and the Easy Press 2? The only difference is the Bluetooth feature, and then the difference between the Easy Press 1 and the Easy Press 3 is the fact that this Easy Press can go up to 400 degrees. On the first one, it cannot. But the second one and the third one both go up to 400 degrees. And this is how it turned out. It actually came out really nice. I actually like it. And like I said in the beginning, they do have other colors that I'm pretty sure would sub just as well. The last one, I only have 3 sublimation items. Last one I have here is the tote bag. And I am lint rolling it. I'm still using the same pressing mat. I am going to use my Cricut Easy Press 3 again, and I'm just placing my image face down, and then I am going to cover it with butcher paper, and I'm going to press this same thing 400 degrees at 60 seconds. Now this one was pretty much an epic fail, and I could almost immediately tell. I know you can't see, but I'm like checking it, because there was like a good amount of smoke coming out, and I was like, I'm pretty sure that this is melting, and it did melt. But you know, I wanted to finish the video, so and it was only $5, so it wasn't too much of a hit. But this bag did melt terribly. Yeah, it was just a no. All right guys, so I'm back here, and I just wanted to kind of like briefly talk about the products that I got here. Did they work? Did they not work? Really, we only had one that did, okay? So we did the journal, we did the hoodie t-shirt, and we did the tote bag. Okay, let's talk about the journal first. I mean, it didn't get a whole lot of color transfer, and then it started to melt here. So I really couldn't even add more pressure or heat to it, because this whole cover basically was just gonna melt off. I could see it already starting to happen. Fail, okay? Fail, I would say no. Y'all, this bag was a massive, epic fail, okay? Epic, massive, total, full on. It melted completely through. The bag is like stuck. Okay, the bag is stuck. The black ink turned burgundy kind of, and it like basically burned a hole through it. There's a hole here. I mean, just no. Okay, just no. Just no. Did not work, even though it says this is 40% polyester. You cannot apply heat to it. Okay, so I mean, the color got on there. It's just the actual material melted, and then it melted the bag like together. Okay, so epic fail, no. But this little hoodie thing, okay, this one came out really nice. So I did get this in a large, so I'll probably just give it to my husband for him to wear. You know, like this would be like a good fall type shirt. So, but look at the color. It did come out really, really dark, and it didn't melt or anything. Okay, and like I said, they did have this in other colors too, and it doesn't feel any different. So this was a thumbs up, I guess. But the tumblers, like I said, I'm not going to engrave those today. Look out for a future video. I am going to engrave those with my Glowforge, or I'm going to try to engrave them with my Glowforge in another video. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out your local Michaels and see what they have. See what you can gift, what you can work with. Hopefully, you know, my ideas kind of helped you out here on what you can and cannot apply heat to at Five Below. But that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.